Okay, so it is 12:26 a.m. But I just finished doing some last minute emails and stuff for some clients. I had a closing today and just a lot of errands and stuff to run. But I have been so excited about getting back home because I got me a new toy so I can really do my home tours and stuff really good. I've been hearing a lot about them, so I had to go order me one. I'm just gonna open it up. Let's see what the hype is all about. Okay. Just so have some sips. Looks fancy. This is the box it came in. Okay. Oh, okay. Sleep. Just dropped out of it. Let's see. I'm assuming this is the instructions. Yep. A quick start guide. Notice on Android capability. I need to read this because I am Team Droid. So it says notice on Android capability issue with ZY Play. The filming performance on Smooth 4 is essentially related to the mobile phone, and the realization of its functions varies with the mobile phone used due to current limitations of Android phones. Android users have not yet access to all the features on ZY Play. At present, Zion is negotiating with Android phone manufacturers to realize the various functions as soon and fully as possible. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. So, that's good to know. I did read some of the reviews, and people were saying that people with Android phones were saying that they didn't really have any problems. So I'm hoping I don't, but we shall see. This is a service card. Yeah, that's all that was in there. So let's see. It says I need to download the app, and it gives you a scanning barcode right there. So this, oh dang, okay, I'm filming on the phone that I normally do it, so whew, excuse the yawning. Like I said, it's 12:26 a.m. So I'm going to scan the barcode. And once you scan the barcode, it does bring up the app. So I'm going to install. Oh gosh. I'm so sleepy and so tired, but I want to go do some home tours in the morning, so that's why I really want to get this done, because I'm tired of holding my phone in my hand, and I have this, I wish I had it in here, but my selfie stick is, yeah, it's horrible. I'm going to show y'all one day, but it's pretty bad. It was actually, I got it from Burlington, and I'm not going to say it's bad, but I'm not using it how it's supposed to be. It goes around your neck, and it's supposed to like sit in front of you in case you are like chilling on the sofa or something, and you don't want to hold your phone in your hand. But of course, I twisted it all up and tried to make it into like a selfie stick. Yeah, I had to do what I had to do. So I am opening up the app, and let's see, it says download. Excuse me. Okay, quick start guide. Charging method. Connect Smooth 4 to a USB power port using Type-C cable provided. Then installation. Okay, let me see. If not, I might just have to wait a little minute, but this is what it looks like. You can see everything in here. Okay, so taking it out. Oh, it looks really expensive and nice. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. It's moving by itself. Okay. So this is the whole gimbal part, and then it has the stand, and I just know that from the multiple videos that I watch. So you open up the stand, and like I think you take, okay, I don't want to mess anything up, so once I figure out that part, I don't know if it sits on the stand with everything on there. Okay, yeah, so city, just screw it on the stand like that. And this is good for, to go on your desk or wherever, for it to just sit if you're recording. Like right now I'm using a ring light stand, so this is something that I can use as well. So I'm going to take that back off because right now I'm not studying the stand. I know one of the main things was balancing. So okay, so charging method, I don't know what percentage it's on, but this on the side of it, like if it's facing this way, on this side is where you put the charging cord in. Okay, I guess I'll figure out later how to check the battery life. So okay, so my charger that I have in here, does it go to this? So I'll do that part later. Okay, so let's see. I know it's saying before you turn it on, installation, get the tripod, and okay. But I thought I was reading somewhere where it was saying to balance before you turned it on. I think that was on one of the videos. But okay, so yeah, even right here it says the balancing part. Push and hold open the camera clamp, slide the smartphone in as close as possible against the tilt axis motor and clamp on. You can also, you can also loosen the mobile clamp, thumb screw on the back, and rotate the clamp to make the phone vertical. Please do not turn on the smooth forward before putting in the phone. So yeah, I'm assuming that's really important. So like I said, the phone that I'm recording on now is the one that, of course, I need to put in here before turning anything on. So I'm actually gonna do a 2-part video. I may just combine these two together. So if I combine them together, then of course you'll see it. But right now, I'm going to say deuces, maybe good night, because I am really tired and I don't want to get frustrated and trying to get this up and running. Yeah, we'll see. But I did just want to come on here and show you guys that I have a new toy. So I am trying to do more home tours for you guys, but I wanted to wait, until I got better equipment, because I do want them to, I know they're not going to be perfect, but at least a little quality. So just showing you guys what I'm doing to help bring you better content. So as always, it's your girl, Almesha Gude, your favorite realtor, come to you with some real tea, because I am really up and it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And look what I'm doing. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video as well. So stay tuned. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to combine or create 2 separate videos. So either way, you'll see. All right. Good night. See you later.